Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Stephen Wadsack, trumpet professor and brass area coordinator here at Kennesaw State University. Today, I'm going to be performing for you the all-district and all-state etudes, as well as providing a few tips to help you in your preparation along the way. I hope you enjoy them. If you're a brass player who's working on these etudes, I'd like to personally invite you to our Kennesaw State University All-State Brass Bootcamp on Saturday, November 9th. Throughout the day, we will have master classes and sessions for each of the all-state levels, including middle school, concert band, and symphonic band. For more details on the event, feel free to check out the link in the video description below. This lyrical etude, originally from the Vocalese collection of Marco Bordoni, moves along at a fairly energetic pace and also incorporates a wide variety of rhythms into the composition. My first tip is to always prioritize the fluidity and ease of the line. Play each note with a great sound and start preparing this etude much slower than the marked tempo at first, so you can find the resonant and full center of each pitch before going faster. Be especially careful with the dotted 8/16 rhythms in the second half of this etude. A common mistake is to turn this duple rhythm into a triplet rhythm, which can be avoided with careful subdivision of the 16th notes. The excerpt ends in a different key than the G major where we started, instead concluding in E minor. Play just as confidently in this section and be sure to do plenty of singing so that you are clearly hearing both key centers throughout the etude. The technical etude is in a slightly less trumpet-friendly key, that of A major. While we should always strive for excellent intonation, we will want to be especially careful with the low C sharps and second line A's, which both have sharp tendencies. Make sure your first and third slides are working well and practice this etude slowly with the correct slide positions before increasing the tempo. Another trickier spot to watch out for starts in the fifth measure. With the disappearance of slur and phrase markings, it can be tempting to tongue these eighth notes strongly. However, we want to maintain a legato style and keep the articulation light, which will also help us to maintain the goal tempo. Finally, pay special attention to the appearance of numerous accidentals and inharmonics, such as E sharp, B sharp, and F double sharp. I would suggest singing these lines slowly to get the music in your ear well and adding the fingerings along as you go before attempting to play this on the trumpet. I hope you found this video helpful in your audition preparation. Don't forget to check out the links in the video description below where you can find out more information about our All-State Brass Bootcamp as well as the Trumpet Studio here at Kennesaw State University. Thanks so much and go Owls!